And now on to some business news. Wall Street wrapped up the week on a mixed note, with Nasdaq outpacing S&P 500 and Dow, driven by Amazon's strong earnings forecast. But the optimism was tempered by fresh concerns that the Federal Reserve may take a slower path to cutting interest rates. Here's a detailed report on the same.
Wall Street's main indexes closed higher on Friday, with the Dow ticking up marginally, the S&P 500 gaining about 0.25%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq climbing 0.6%. The market got a boost from shares of Amazon, which gained 9.5% to hit an all-time high after the retail behemoth forecast quarterly sales above estimates and said its cloud revenue rose at the fastest clip in nearly 3 years. Amazon's stellar results came just days after it announced 14,000 AI-related job cuts, which Nancy Tengler, CEO of Laffer Tengler Investments, believes will make the business more nimble.
I think what you're seeing is a company that is delivering. They are rationalizing the business because they overhired during COVID. And so now what they're trying to do is become quicker, faster, reduce layers in corporate management. And indeed, that is what they're doing. And they're going to grow the retail business with the same number of employees, but they're going to double it in 5 years. So that's pretty impressive. And as a shareholder, I kind of loved everything. And I think you continue to hold it. If you don't own it, I actually even think you buy it here.
In other stock moves, Warner Brothers Discovery rose more than 3.5%, following a Reuters report that Netflix was actively exploring a bid for the company's studio and streaming business. Shares of Netflix rose more than 2.5% as the company also unveiled plans for a 10-for-1 stock split. And shares of Western Digital rallied more than 8.5% to an all-time high after forecasting quarterly earnings above Wall Street estimates.